Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're seeing this video. Okay, just a very quick one. Today I want to talk on apparatus, the apparatus we use in the chemistry laboratory. When you talk of apparatus are tools. They are equipment. Okay, you can call them tools, you can call them equipment, you can call them instruments that are being used in the chemistry laboratory to carry out experimentation. We use it to carry out experiments, to make observations, okay, and for measurements. Very, very important. To carry out experimentations, to make observation and for measurements. So these apparatus, these tools we are talking about, these instruments, they're actually very, very important in a chemistry laboratory. You know, as scientists, we make use of our sense organs. We make use of our eyes, our nose, and every part of our sense organs to observe our environment, okay? To observe our environment. So, and one very important thing you need to know is that this apparatus comes in different type, depending on their usage. They come in different type. We have some that are being made up of metals, yes, just like this. Don't worry, I'll be showing you in our next video. Just like this is what we call a triple stand. It is made up of a metal. It's an apparatus we use in a chemistry lab, okay? It's made up of metal. And then this is actually a Bunsen burner. Sorry, it has a metal base. Yes, it's made up of metal. We have so many that are usually made up of what? Metals. We have some that are being made up of glass, yes. And of course, we have to handle them with care. Very, very important. If not, you end up buying as many as possible, and I'm sure we won't want to go with all of that. You can see it, and maybe in our next video, I will also try and do a video on why it is necessary for some of the apparatus to be in a glass form, just like this. This is a beaker. It's made up of glass. Some are made up of plastic, yes. Very important. This is what we call a wash bottle. Can we all see this? This is a wash bottle. It's made up of plastic, and we have some that are made up of porcelain. Yes, just like this. It's made up of porcelain. So it comes. Oh, I forgot one. Sorry, just before I forget. Some apparatus are usually made up of wood. Yes. Some apparatus are usually made up of wood. You know, I mentioned the apparatus are made up of glass. Some are made up of metal, some are made up of porcelain, okay? Some are usually made up of wood, just like the handle of a test tube holder. I have it here with me. This is the handle of a test tube holder. This is what we call a test tube holder. So the handle is made up of a wood, okay, as you can see. And there are other apparatus, just that I don't have some of them with me. There are other apparatus that are usually made up of wood. I don't have the one made up of wood. So we have apparatus in different types. Like I have said, we have it in different types. So everything depends on their usage, okay? So that will be all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.